Dear friends, yesterday we entertained you with Aditi Rao Hedri's Walking Down the Ramp and Sizzle the Ramp. Yesterday in the India Couture Week, it was the turn of other sizzlers, Kriti Sanon and Malaika Arora, walking down the ramp. Yesterday, Kriti Sanon set the stage on fire by walking down the ramp and stole the spotlight in Shamal and Bhumika's lehenga, left her hair loose and accessorized it with traditional jewelry.
From modeling, and then I became an actor. And I've walked on this ramp many, many times. And I think the nervousness and the excitement is still the same. And the rush backstage is still the same. Somebody said, is model ka kisi ne juta chura liya hai, isko koi juta do. So I heard all that backstage and I was just smiling because I used to be one of those models jiska juta chura liya kisi ne. So I think the whole experience of being backstage and the rush and then the walk it just finishes, before you know it. And while you're turning back and you're going backstage, you want to actually take one more run and come back, but you can't. So it's been great, and I think India Couture Week has always been great with their collections, and I think as they said, everybody works so hard to sort of present the collection that's here, and every piece that I was watching was absolutely stunning, and I could just I think for a moment I forgot that I have to walk because I was only watching the screen. I was like, oh wow, that outfit's really nice, that one's really nice, and then somebody just said, come. So that rush and then okay, go, that just all feels the same, and it's great to be back here.
Kriti, what's your personal style like?
My personal style, I think, is very moody, I would say, because there are days when I really don't want to make an effort, and I like being just comfortable and wear like t-shirt and boyfriend denims and or just be in like shorts and a ganji and I throw a layer over it. And there are days where I feel like making the effort and where I feel like digging something out of my closet, and I take 45 minutes to just stand there and look through it, and where I wear a day dress or like a romper or maxi or put an effort in it. But I feel like for me, comfort really comes first before anything else, and I also feel like no matter what your personal style is, you should be willing to sort of experiment. Try something new, because unless you try something new, you will not really know if it suits you or not. So there have been times when me and my stylist have been at war, and I have argued for hours because I was not listening to her, and then finally when I did, I was like, okay, yeah, you know what, you were right. So I like varying my style.
After that, Malaika Arora bombed the stage with her appeal in a mini green lehenga, making the audience mesmerized. Host of other Bollywood celebrities were also present on this occasion in New Delhi. Malaika Arora donned the dress of Sulakshana Monga when she just returned from Maldives.
Malaika Arora, and I'm walking tonight for Selection at the India Couture Week 2019 in Delhi. And I'm really glad that I could be part of her show, her collection, because it's a really beautiful collection. I feel beautiful.
Festive season and wedding seasons are coming around. So, what's your choice of ethnic pieces?
Well, a sari is a sari. I think that's something that is undoubtedly the most beautiful garment worldwide. I think a lehenga is something that personally, for whenever I have to go for a function, I always pick a lehenga because I think there's so much you can do with it. You know, it's a really versatile piece of garment. It can be really traditional. It can be a bit western. It can be cocktail. It can be insane. I like it because it's really versatile.
So, Raksha Bandhan is coming around. So, what is your sibling goal with Amrita?
For Raksha Bandhan?
Yeah, like Raksha Bandhan is more like sibling time, right?
Well, I think for me, I don't have a brother. She's my brother, she's my sister. So I think that is really good for me. I don't really miss not having a brother. She's my everything.
Okay, friends. Bye for now. Thank you.